friends, today we are going to learn all about Albert Einstein. Question number 1. In which country was Albert Einstein born? Options: A. Austria, B. France, C. Germany, D. United States. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C. Germany. Question number 2. In which year was Albert Einstein awarded the Nobel Prize? Options: A. 1921, B. 1925, C. 1918, D. 1932. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A. 1921. Question number 3. What theory is Einstein most famous for? Options: A. Theory of relativity, B. Quantum theory, C. Theory of light, D. Laws of motion. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A. Theory of relativity. Question number 4. What is cosmology? Options: A. The study of makeup, B. The study of horoscopes, C. The study of constellations, D. The study of physical universe. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D. The study of physical universe. Question number 5. What does the E stand for in the equation E equals mc square? Options: A. Entropy, B. Energy, C. Environment, D. Einstein. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B. Energy. Question number 6. What does the general theory of relativity involve that the special theory does not? Options: A. Gravity, B. Eclipse, C. Quantum theory, D. Electromagnetic interaction. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A. Gravity. Question number 7. All of the following people formulated interpretations of Einstein's theory of relativity except options: A. Arthur Eddington, B. V. A. Fock, C. Hermann Minkowski, D. Bernd Spinoza. The time starts now. The correct answer is option D. Bernd Spinoza. Question number 8. When was Einstein born? Options: A. 1888, B. 1879, C. 1895, D. 1853. The time starts now. The correct answer is option B. 1879. Question number 9. Who is Albert Einstein? Options: A. Scientist, B. Theoretical physicist, C. A dancer, D. A psychologist. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B. Theoretical physicist. Question number 10. How old did Einstein start to speak? Options: A. 4 years old, B. 3 years old, C. 2 years old, D. 1 year old. The time starts now. The correct answer is option A. 4 years old. Question number 11. How did Einstein do his experiments? Options: A. In the lab, B. In his mind, C. In the real world, D. In the school. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B. In his mind. Question number 12. Where did Einstein die? Options: A. Germany, B. Spain, C. Britain, D. United States. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, United States. Question number 13. Einstein first started creating and becoming interested in how things worked when he was given this at 5 years old. Options: A. Thermometer, B. Toy car, C. Compass, D. Camera. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, compass. Question number 14. What did Albert's mother think of him? Options: A. Albert was a freak, B. He will rule the world, C. He was a born genius, D. He will become a warrior. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A. Albert was a freak. Question number 15. What was Einstein's most recognizable formula? Options: A. E equals mjh, B. E equals mc square, C. E equals mv, D. E equals hv. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B. E equals mc square. Question number 16. According to Einstein, learning facts is not dash. Options: A. Avoidable, B. Wasteful, C. Education, D. Easy. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C. Education. Question number 17. It's almost the only class where I am not wasting my time. Which class is Albert talking about here? Options: A. History, B. Mathematics, C. Science, D. English. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B. Mathematics. Question number 18. What was the theory name that was published in famous newspaper in 1905? Options: A. Special theory of evolution, B. Oxygen theory of combustion, C. Special theory of relativity, D. Theory of collision. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C. Special theory of relativity. Question number 19. When did Einstein die and at which age? Options: A. At the age of 76 in 1956, B. At the age of 77 in 1955, C. At the age of 77 in 1956, D. At the age of 76 in 1955. Your time starts now. The correct answer is at the age of 76 in 1955. Question number 20. What was Einstein's best known law? Options: A. E equals mc square, B. The gravitational law, C. The law of cosmic matter, D. None of the above. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A. E equals mc square. Question number 21. Einstein's most famous discovery was? Options: A. Gravity, B. Atomic bomb, C. Theory of relativity, D. None of these. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C. Theory of relativity. Question number 22. When Einstein wrote his 1905 papers, he was working as a dash. Options: A. Private tutor, B. Engineer, C. Professor, D. Patent officer. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D. Patent officer. Question number 23. Einstein left Germany and came to this country to avoid the Nazis. Options: A. United States of America, B. Russia, C. China, D. France. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, United States of America. Question number 24. Einstein earned his PhD from this university. Options: A, University of California, B, University of New York, C, University of Zurich, D, University of Illinois. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, University of Zurich. Question number 25. Albert Einstein was a great scientist in dash. Options: A, mathematics, B, physics, C, history, D, psychology. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, physics.